For the second time within 2 months or less, I find myself in a travel ban. On the 23rd of August, I've tried to travel to Istanbul, then to Bosnia with my family. The immigration directorate told me that you can't leave Bahrain. Even though I've tried to pass the causeway to Saudi Arabia early in the morning and I was allowed to leave. But when the man saw the tickets, I was going to Istanbul, and Istanbul normally is a transit to Geneva and other European cities. So he told me you can't leave, and the travel ban has become in force within 2 hours. It was already around 2 o'clock in the early morning of the 23rd. It is concerning that the travel ban is imposed, then lifted, then imposed again without knowing the authority behind it and without notifying us. It is astonishing that Bahrain has amended its civil procedural law to allow anybody who have a travel ban to appeal against it and to be notified, and not to allow any authority to put a travel ban until it is justified and until there is a procedure, a due process to challenge it. But unfortunately, the security authorities like public prosecution, like Minister of Interior and the National Security apparatus is imposing the travel ban from time to time without justification, without telling the NGOs why they are not allowed to leave. Bahrain has always used these tactics to prevent people from traveling, and it has used it now as a punishment against most civil activists and most human rights activists. And it shows that imposing the travel ban and the time of the Human Rights Council holding its session, it is a clear evidence that Bahrain is imposing this travel ban not to allow the NGOs to attend the Human Rights Council. And as it has been revealed during the past few months, that Ministry of Interior will not allow anybody to expose the human rights violation inside Bahrain, even though Bahrain has an obligation based in the treaties it's signed that it will not impose any kind of restriction in the movement, in the NGOs and in the activists. But still, even though Bahrain is ratifying these treaties, Bahrain is the highest violator to these treaties.